Today I'm going to show you how I shape my sourdough bread. First up, you just want to sprinkle a little bit of flour on your countertop and also add some flour to your banneton. Next up, we are going to get our dough onto our countertop. And now I'm just going to spread it out into a rectangle. So now that I have it in a rectangle, I'm going to go ahead and fold it into thirds. So I'll fold in and then fold in again. And then I move it so it's long way away from me. And then I take one in and I'm just going to roll it all the way and then bring it close to me. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna push it away and then kind of like tuck this end under. Again, push this away and you're rotating the dough as you're tucking it under. And then tuck it under. So push it away and then kind of just tuck it under. So now that I have this like this, I'm going to add a little bit of flour to the top. And then I have this little scraper thing that actually helps me pick it up. And then scoop it under it. And then put it in your banneton. And it's gonna look like that. Sometimes you'll get like edges that aren't sealed, and what you can do is just kind of like twist your dough back and forth to seal those. And then there you go. And then go ahead and cover your dough, and then I place mine in my fridge overnight and then I'll cook it tomorrow. If you have any questions on how to shape your sourdough bread, let me know in the comments below, and then join me for more sourdough tips.